G'day, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. Time to hunker down for some damp and cloudy weather, expected to affect North Queensland for at least the next week. Nothing heavy, just a few millimetres a day most likely, but very still and humid with mozzies galore and a monsoon low potentially forming offshore this weekend. Top temperatures were mainly in the 30-degree ballpark today after a warm and muggy night, much the same as yesterday, which is about average for this time of year. On the satellite loop you can see that showers are becoming more widespread now across Queensland, though the hot spot is still in Western Queensland where we issued the severe thunderstorm warning this afternoon. But even so, the biggest falls we found, and there's just been a handful of them, are 50-odd mils, tropical inland mostly and around this inland trough. Let's have a look at today's chart. There's the inland trough that's spawning those nasty storms out west, some of them making a little bit further east. We've got a division happening here. In the tropics there's hardly any wind. We've got a general monsoonal area, very humid but still, and in the southeast we've still got the trade winds coming around from the high over Tasmania. Now on tomorrow's chart, a trough digs in offshore. It's the result of an upper level feature that's amplifying over the state, and that's going to make for some pretty heavy rainfall developing around the southern coast and ranges, less so in the tropics. And then for the outlook chart, this will be the peak of rainfall when this coastal trough reaches its strongest point, potential heavy falls right through southern coastal Queensland, lesser falls elsewhere. Now the latest from the Weather Bureau, the boating forecast for Mackay waters east to southeast, 15 to 20 knots tomorrow, then dropping back to 10 to 15 knots for both Thursday and Friday. We're pretty close to neap tide now, with the moon about to reach last quarter. Expect a low tide tomorrow morning, followed by a modest peak in the afternoon. The central coast from Whitsunday is a 40% chance of showers tomorrow with possible thunderstorms. Mackay 23 up to 30 degrees, 32 for Bowen and Proserpine 31. Central Highlands and Coalfields showers mainly in the south with potential severe thunderstorms. Emerald reaching 35 degrees, Claremont and Moranbah also 35. Looking ahead for Mackay, top temperatures steady around 30 degrees with high humidity and showers falling most days. Rain may get heavier from Sunday if a monsoonal low ends up forming offshore. So that's all for this evening. Pleasure to have your company as always, and thanks for watching 7 Local Weather. I'll be back tomorrow with more in the latest. Hope you can join me then. Now it's back to the team.
Thank you, Liv. Well, that wraps it up. We'll look forward to seeing you tomorrow night. Don't forget, anything you'd like to watch again, you can catch up on our 7plus app or our page 7news.com.au. From the team, good night.